Welcome. If you're tired of seeing IGTV recommended videos pop up on your Instagram and want a cleaner, more focused experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off IGTV recommended videos on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's main settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Now, look for Instagram in that list. It might take a moment if you have a lot of apps, but once you spot it, tap on Instagram to open its settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the alerts Instagram can send you. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This will show you a detailed list of all the types of notifications Instagram can send, broken down into categories for easy management. Scroll through the categories until you find IGTV. This is the section that controls notifications for IGTV content, including those recommended videos that keep showing up. Once you've found IGTV, look for the toggle switch next to IGTV Recommended Videos. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. When the switch is off, you'll no longer receive notifications or recommendations for IGTV videos from Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully turned off IGTV recommended videos. Now you can enjoy scrolling through Instagram without those extra video suggestions popping up. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might be looking for the same solution. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more personalized Instagram experience.